Hey, what's up? I'm Dave Boyer, aka Mr. Boyer, aka the Swamp Man. I'm in Merchants Mill Pond State Park, Eastern North Carolina, hiking on the Lassiter Trail. I got up just really right with the sun this morning. It rained all night. There was a tropical depression that came up through Florida, South Carolina, and Georgia, and it's just kind of hitting us now. But it's been raining all night, and so I got up this morning, put on my rain gear, and decided to go for a nice long walk. Lassiter Trail is about a 6-mile loop around it. But I'm thinking as I was laying in my tent last night, and the rain's coming in. It's really raining hard, like it's starting to pick up here now. Um, why is it that this new air would come in? Hopefully you know a little bit about air from elementary school, that air is a gas. Hopefully you know some of the properties of gases from elementary school, things like they don't really take on a particular shape. The molecules are moving really quickly. The molecules try to spread out as much as they can to fill a container. Well, what they didn't probably get to was what's driving that, what's causing those molecules to move the way that they are. And in 7th grade, you'll spend some time for sure studying this. The answer is air pressure. So as a 6th grader, we're going to study that air is matter. It has mass. We can take the molecules, we can break them down by their atoms, look at the periodic table of elements and find the atomic mass number and do some math with that and figure out how much mass any one sample of air would have. It also takes up space. If you blow up a balloon and close it off, the balloon keeps the shape of the air that's inside of it. So air is matter. It has mass and takes up space. But air is also a fluid. And fluids, like gases, all gases are fluids, liquids are fluids. Fluids are responding to changes or differences in air pressure. So when a storm comes in, it's really that the air pressure starts to drop lower and lower and lower ahead of the storm. And air will always want to go from higher pressure areas to lower pressure areas. So that air is going to sweep in following the low pressure. And this storm just happened to do that coming up the east coast of the United States. And it'll continue moving north of here by the end of the day today. But I'm just going on this hike, and then I'm packing up camp, jumping in my canoe, and heading back to my car eventually today. Got to teach y'all tomorrow, so just wanted to stop and share a little bit about fluids with you and tell you that science rocks. Peace.